And now we come up to part D. And part D is all about crashing, and it does get a little bit tricky. So it says, it is possible to reduce the completion time for activities C, D, G, H, and K by employing more workers. The completion time for each of these 5 activities can be reduced by a maximum of 2 weeks. What is the minimum time in weeks that the renovation project could take? So what we're trying to find is the minimum time that this renovation project could take place if we can reduce these 5 activities by a maximum of 2 weeks. Now, there are multiple different ways of approaching this type of question, and I want to show you the different ways of going about it, and that will give you a good, well-rounded understanding of what's going on. And when you come to your exam or your SAC, you can be like, all right, this is how I'm going to approach it. And you can do so because you've seen different ways of doing it and you have a good, well-rounded understanding of it. So I'm going to go through these 3 ways here. Don't read anything into the names. I've just kind of given them names. The first one I'm calling the targeted approach. The second one I'm calling the table method. And the third one I'm calling the scan again. So we're going to do our forward and backward scanning again for that one. So we're going to spend some time on each of these different approaches here, starting with the targeted approach.